Are you worried about gaining weight during the holidays? It's a common problem, but don't worry, it's possible to enjoy the festivities without sacrificing your weight loss goals. In this video, I'm going to share some simple tips on how to stay healthy and maintain a slender figure during the holiday season. First, try to maintain an active lifestyle by incorporating at least 30 minutes of exercise into your day. Physical activity helps reduce stress and burn extra calories, so you won't need to overeat to cope with holiday pressures. Drinking water is another key factor in keeping yourself feeling fresh and healthy. Small portions of water throughout the day can help with digestion, nutrient absorption, and toxin elimination. Plus, it's calorie-free, cholesterol-free, and fat-free. Next, be a food snob and eat only what you really love. Don't waste your precious calories on snacks and junk food that don't satisfy your taste buds. And try to combine compatible food items to avoid overeating. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we post new videos and have access to all of our past content. Portion control is also crucial. Use small plates, and start by filling them with vegetables before indulging in high-calorie sweets and cheeses. Don't be greedy and stick to low-calorie meals to keep the pounds off. At parties, keep your distance from the food table. Being too close can lead to mindless munching and overeating. Try to drink less alcohol, or alternate it with water to avoid extra calories and dehydration. Remember, it's okay to take home leftovers or leave uneaten food at the restaurant. Overeating just because you've paid for a meal is not worth sacrificing your health and well-being. Schedule your time and plan ahead to manage holiday stress. Stress can lead to overeating and weight gain, so make sure to leave time for relaxation and self-care. Lastly, moderation is the key to a harmonious life. Enjoy the holiday season, but don't forget about the principles of healthy eating. So there you have it, 10 simple tips to help you stay healthy and maintain a slender figure during the holidays. Don't put off your weight loss program until tomorrow, start incorporating these tips into your lifestyle today. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. We post new content regularly and we would love to have you join our community.